So here's a larger solar panel. It's pretty dark here. The multimeter is connected to the leads and it's generating 18 volts. And now let's power on the lights. And we have 21 volts. Cast a shadow somehow. And it's varying a little bit more, 20.05, little bit less, 21. Okay, so that's the voltage. It's a bifacial solar panel. It has two faces. This is the back side and it looks like this. The front also looks identical. Now let's connect it in a different manner. Let's unplug only one from the MC4 connector. Move the red there to the 10 amp setting. Okay, move it here to 10 amps. Like so. Surprise. Currently it's generating 0 amps. And insert that there. 0 amps. Wow. So red is connected, negative is connected. 0 amps at that light. And yes, it's 0. So a panel this large is generating 0 amps current in this lighting condition. There's a tiny amount of light outside, but current is 0. And outside is generating 27 volts. The positive connector is this one, which has those two clips. That's the plus. We can know that because there is no minus sign in front of the voltage. And the negative is this larger one, which does not have those two clips. So clips is positive, no clips is negative. Now it's set to measure current and we have 0.03 amps of current. And that's with the back side towards the light. 0.03 amps. It is set to 10 amps. And now with the front towards the light we have a little bit more. 0.05 or 0.04 amps. So that's the front and that's the back where I can insert my finger. So it does matter which side is facing towards the light. So on this panel, the connector, which looks like a male connector with that portion, that is the positive. And there is the plus sign in the center at my finger. It's measuring voltage and even the voltage is slightly higher, although it's almost night, with the right side towards the sun. So now there is a little bit of sunshine and I was trying to do the same thing, measure the amperage, and do not do it. I repeat, do not measure amperage on this. Why? Because it will burn your tool. That's a 100 watt panel. You can measure amps there, but this is a 400 watt panel. Do not measure amps here. It will melt your tool. It made an ugly sound, sparking sound. There was no smoke, but this is kind of melted. Behind the panel, let's see, hope I can measure at least voltage. So that's inserted and it made an ugly sound here. Now with the voltage it's not doing anything. 33 volts at I'm not sure how many amps, and there is a little bit of sunshine.